Facebook restricted your account? Let's get the limitations removed quickly and safely. Do you know which action triggered the restriction? Was it a post, comment, or something else? Share it below. First, if you see a notification about the restrictions, click disagree. If you believe it was a mistake, Facebook will review your appeal. For posting restrictions, avoid posting similar content while restricted. Delete any recent post that might have caused the issue. Check your account quality section in settings. It shows exactly what content was flagged and why. If restricted from messaging, wait 24 to 72 hours before trying again. Sending multiple messages can extend the restriction. To prevent future restrictions, review Facebook's community standard carefully. Some rules are not obvious. Did this help remove your restrictions? If this helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.